To get started on our
Jumbo
2-week safari.
Jumbo
Harambe Wildlife Reserve was established for poachers. To the left, right by those bushes there, the saddle-billed stork. They actually stand 5 feet tall and have a wingspan of 8 to 9 feet.
Where? The stork that was back there, I could barely see her.
Now the animals in the forest. Into
She's looking here, but just move back. There he is.
to the left, we have the bongo hiding behind these trees.
Yep.
Their nickname is the ghost of the forest, living up to the name by hiding behind those trees. There's also the yellow-billed stork right next to the bongo. They're actually carnivorous. They eat things like frogs.
There he is back there.
Alright. To the left, we have some pink-backed pelicans. They like to make their nest in trees, hang out in colonies. And look up ahead, there's a hippo out of the water. That is awesome.
See it up there?
Very rare to see a hippo out of water. Try to get closer. Now, baby hippo weigh about 85 pounds. The adult male will tip the scales at about 5,000 pounds. They eat about 150 pounds of grass at night.
That's like, you never see that. Oh, there's three over there.
We're now coming up to an old, creaky bridge. This looks really dangerous. The pulley, which means very, very slow. Speaking of dangerous, look to the left. We have the Nile crocodile. They are far more aggressive than the American alligator. They can crush the bones of anything they can catch. I don't know about you all, but I think they look pretty hungry. I think we should get out of here.
I think we should get
Super highway for migrating animals, and home to some of our more famous animals like the lion and the elephant. This is the wild Africa we're all working to conserve.
Who's here?
Now the savanna landscape is created by the animals that live here. The elephants act like bulldozers. They push down the trees to reach the leaves. The giraffes act like pruning shears. They eat the underbrush of the leaves to let the light shine through. The large antelope and zebras mow down the grasses. The gazelles and warthogs trim down the edges. In a balanced ecosystem, there's the ones in the center are the babies. Now the gray animal to the left are the white-bearded wildebeest. They're the most migrating animal. 1.5 million migrate across Africa each year. And to the right, the little ones with the black stripe on their belly, those are the Thompson's gazelles. They are not babies, they are full grown. They weigh about 60 pounds and can run 50. Very bad. Keeps his predators away from him, and I think that would do the trick. Looks like there's some giraffes straight ahead. There's different types of giraffe on the reserve. So I want you to pay close attention to the pattern on their coat. Unless they're hiding from us. Oh, I see a Maasai giraffe to the left. can tell it's a Messiah because it has an irregular jagged shaped pattern on its coat. Kind of looks like oak leaves. Messiah, the smallest of the giraffe
Look at how his
species.
camouflage really does match those
The sun kind
palm
of
trees.
makes it hard to see.
Hi, giraffes. He's moving. Sorry, I just need to hold myself up. There he is. There he is. Can you sit here? Turn around, mister. He's trying, but I guess it takes him a while.
Now, a mother elephant is pregnant with its baby for 22 whole months. Wow, look at all of them here. It gives birth to a 300-pound baby. Now, it's our lucky day. Look how many we're seeing. Look at the babies. Look how cute. Oh, and look to the right and to the left. These are the Ankole cattle here. They have the large horns. Those horns can grow to be about 6 feet tall, 20 inches at the circumference.
Look at him.
And it looks like we have some greater flamingo here. They are the lightest pink of the flamingo species. They get their pink color from the brine shrimp that they eat. It has keratin in it, which gives them that pink color. If you look across the way, you'll still see those elephants. That's amazing.
So cute.
Cannot fly. Wow, look what we have here. Well, first we have the female lioness on this rock here. Contrary to popular belief, the female lioness is actually the dominant hunter for the family.
She's sleeping. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Here's the male lion.
Look at him.
Lions actually rest up to 20 hours a day, so this is quite rare to see.
Hello. He's decided he's leaving.
To the left, we have some burying holes created by the warthog, the largest animal to create these burying holes. They create them with their snout. Oh, and there's the warthog right by that fallen down tree. And the warthog actually can run 35 miles per hour.
Hi, warthog.
To the left with those spiraled horns are the addicts. They can go their entire life without drinking any water. Although they do drink water, they do not have to survive, because they get their water from the food that they eat. Some more addicts to the right and to the left of our truck. Well, the poachers must have broken through the gates. Wilson, we're at the Mingande Hot Springs. Wilson, there's an empty camp bed. The poachers must have gotten away. Oh no.
Oh, not to worry. You dropped them right into my patrol.
Oh, good. Did you find the mother elephant?